Let's talk about the latest launched Dcode smartphone Bold 3 Pro, with glass finish design. Now, let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Gorilla Finish protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with 50 megapixel triple camera setup on the rear. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 7.96 mm thickness, and it weighs around 189 grams. The color options: Arctic white, mint green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing. Details of the smartphone. The Dcode Bold 3 Pro has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 128 GB. Storage variant at 42,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Dcode Bold 3 Pro smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.